The Xiaomi 15 Pro is a new flagship phone that just launched. It comes with the world's most powerful mobile processor, a fast refresh rate LTPO display, an impressive design, and a big battery. Today, I'll show you the unboxing and first impressions of this newly released Xiaomi 15 Pro. Hey everyone, Maiky from techmaiky here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Now let's get started with the unboxing. So here's the box of the Xiaomi 15 Pro in black. On the top, you can see branding for Leica and Xiaomi's HyperOS. On the side, it mentions Dolby High-Res audio and IP68 waterproof rating. The phone's packaging is environmentally friendly. Here's the 90-watt power adapter with a Type-A output along with a Type-A to Type-C data cable. Now, let's remove the plastic wrap and talk about the phone's design and build. This is just a first impressions video, and I'll be uploading a detailed review in 2 days. So, if you want to catch the full review first, feel free to subscribe. Looking at the front, the screen has micro-curved edges on all 4 sides with slightly larger arcs. It comes with a pre-applied screen protector and a punch hole for the selfie camera. The frame is silver gray with smooth edges, and antenna lines are visible on all 4 sides. The back of the phone is a blue color. The back of the phone looks like metal at first, but it's actually glass with a frosted AG finish. The camera module is a square shape with 3 camera lenses. The phone is about 8.4 millimeters thick and has a good in-hand feel. With the curved screen, it's easy to grip with one hand. The phone weighs around 217 grams, so it's not lightweight. You can compare the weight with other flagship phones. You can compare the design with the Xiaomi 14 Pro, as they look quite similar, but the 15 Pro has a slightly more curved design. Now, about the display. It has a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a 2K resolution and a refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The screen has a maximum manual brightness of 899 nits and auto brightness up to 125 nits. It also has a higher screen-to-body ratio. The screen has consistent rounded corners. For performance, the Xiaomi 15 Pro features the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the world's most powerful processor for Android OS, built on a 3nm platform with a max clock speed of 4.32 GHz. On Antutu, it scores over 2.7 million, although the Vivo X200 with the Dimensity 9400 scores slightly higher. On Geekbench 6, the Snapdragon 8 Elite has higher scores in both single-core and multi-core tests. You can also see the 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme test score, where the Find X8 scores a bit higher. By the way, I've already uploaded unboxings and detailed reviews of all Vivo X200 series and Oppo Find X8 series phones. Links are in the description below and in the top card. Now, for gaming on the Xiaomi 15 Pro. When playing King of Glory at the highest settings, 120 FPS, for 30 minutes, the average frame rate stays at 120 FPS with stable frame rates and no lag. Power consumption is also low, at just 2.15 watts. After 30 minutes of gaming, the front temperature reaches up to 35.8 degrees Celsius and the back goes up to 37.1 degrees Celsius. For a heavy game test with Genshin Impact at the highest settings and high resolution, the average frame rate is 59.7 FPS after 30 minutes, with power consumption around 3.99 watts. The biggest improvement here is much lower power consumption compared to the previous generation. The front and back temperatures also stay controlled, with a max of just 44 degrees Celsius. Now, let's talk about the battery and charging. The phone has a large 6100 mAh battery, which takes about 54 minutes to charge from 0% to 100%. You can also see the battery endurance test results. For the camera, the phone features a triple rear camera setup. The main camera is 50 megapixels with a large sensor size of 1.31 inches. It also has a secondary 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens and a third 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. I'll upload a detailed review of the camera test in a video soon, so stay connected with our channel. Now, about the price of the Xiaomi 15 Pro. In China, the base variant with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage starts at 5,299 Chinese yuan, which is about £572 in the UK and $744 in the USA. So friends, what do you think of the Xiaomi 15 Pro's design? Which feature do you like the most? Please let me know in the comments. I'll also upload a detailed review of the phone soon, so stay tuned to our channel.